the primordial silence of matter. Before the first star ignited its celestial fire, before galaxies spiraled like luminous mandalas across the infinite dark, there existed only the great and immeasurable stillness of matter. In the hidden teachings of becoming the God particle, this moment is described not as a beginning, but as the sacred pause before existence inhaled for the first time. There were no heavens suspended above, no worlds rotating beneath unseen suns, and no observer to give meaning to the void. There was only matter, eternal, formless, and silent beyond comprehension. This primordial state cannot be imagined through ordinary thought, for the human mind depends upon contrast. We understand light because we have known darkness. We understand motion because we have stood still. Yet in that ancient abyss, there was no opposite, no reflection, no division through which awareness could define itself. Matter existed within a condition beyond dimension, beyond vibration, beyond even the fragile concept of reality itself. It did not float within space, because space had not yet unfolded its invisible architecture. It did not move through time, because time remained unborn within the sleeping womb of eternity. The ancients would have called this the Great Silence, the hidden ocean from which all creation would eventually emerge. But this silence was not emptiness. It was fullness concealed beneath stillness. Within it rested the dormant blueprint of every star, every atom, every consciousness that would one day awaken beneath the cosmic veil. Entire galaxies slept within this unformed state, like dreams waiting for the dreamer to arrive. Matter simply was. Not alive, not dead, not conscious, not unconscious. It existed beyond such distinctions, suspended in a mysterious equilibrium where nothing had yet separated itself from the whole. There were no laws of physics to command order, no gravity to gather substance, no energy to ignite transformation. The universe had not yet spoken its first sacred equation. Reality remained hidden inside itself, folded inward like an infinite secret waiting to be remembered. In becoming the God particle, this primordial silence represents the first hidden threshold of cosmic awakening. It is the state before identity, before separation, before the illusion of individuality fractured the singular essence of existence into countless forms. The silence of matter was not absence. It was potential in its purest and most terrifying form. Every possibility rested there simultaneously, sleeping within the unseen heart of creation. Mystics throughout forgotten ages attempted to describe this eternal condition through symbols and sacred metaphors. Some envisioned it as the cosmic egg drifting through the endless void. Others called it the black ocean, a dimension without horizon where all things remain dissolved into one infinite substance. Modern minds may seek scientific language to define it, yet even the deepest equations merely circle its edges like pilgrims wandering around a hidden temple whose doors remain sealed. For within that silence was a mystery greater than matter itself. Hidden within the stillness was the seed of awareness. The universe, though dormant, carried within its invisible depths the inevitable hunger to awaken. Matter was not merely substance, it was waiting consciousness. Beneath the unmoving calm slept the first whisper of transformation, the earliest echo of what would eventually become stars, worlds, minds, souls, and the eternal quest for transcendence. The silence itself was preparing to fracture. And when that fracture finally came, the cosmos would awaken in fire. The ancient stillness would shatter into vibration. The infinite void would breathe. And the journey of becoming the God particle would truly begin.